Halo app is a social fashion platform for users to share pictures, shop and earn rewards. You can earn reward points while shopping on Halo, and when your followers shop directly through your shared posts, you earn points too. Both influencers and shoppers earn the same amount of reward points. Upload your photos on Halo, and easily tag your outfit items from their database. You get reward points every time your followers shop through your shared posts. You also can sync photos from Instagram to your Halo account. Increase brand awareness through UGC. Potential customers can discover your brand through other users' shared posts, and they can directly shop the brand on Halo. Through your partnership with Halo, easily find potential influencers to collaborate on a partnership. This app has a 4.7 score in the Apple Store, and it's not currently available for Android users.